I have my recipe in front of me, and now I am measuring my distilled water. I'm measuring my sodium hydroxide to make the lye water mixture. Getting prepared. I'm slowly adding my sodium hydroxide into the water to prep the lye water solution. It will be cloudy, but as it cools, it will get clear. Getting ready to make the soap batter, adding my lye water solution into my melted oils and butter. And I'm checking the temperature, it's 85 Fahrenheit, so we are good. Using a stick blender, I am going to mix the water and the oils together. I'm going to mix them. I'm not looking for a trace. Trace is like a pudding consistency of the batter, so I'm not looking for the trace. I pre-mixed 2 teaspoons of pink mica with 2 tablespoons of oils from the recipe. My idea here is to have 4 layers in the soap, so I'm dividing the batter into 4 more or less equal parts and adding colors to it from the darkest to the lightest. I started with 2 teaspoons of the color, and gradually I decreased the amount of color I added to the oils. Getting ready to add my fragrance oil. It's rose fragrance oil. I'm adding it to all my soap batter, and I'm going to, after I add it, I'm going to stick blend it for a few seconds to get a light trace that is like a pudding consistency, and then I'll be ready to pour it in a mold. I lined my mold with some freezer paper. So we are getting ready to pour the first layer. I'm pouring the darkest color in the bottom, and slowly I'm going to add the other layers based on the color. I'm starting with the darkest and moving on to the lightest. So I waited for 15 minutes, and using a fork I drew some lines and added some pink rock salt to the sides, and I forgot to start filming when I started with the design. After 2 days, I'm getting ready to unmold, and I'm excited to see the design in there. So I'm very excited. So there you go. Let's see. I'm happy how it turned out. I'm going to wait the long wait for 4 to 5 weeks to use this soap. By the time I post the video, the soap should be ready by then. Thanks for watching.